Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your bill splits on Wise. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here you just go to the bottom right corner and tap on payments. Now you scroll down until you find bill splits, tap on it, and here you will find your active and your inactive bill splits. Active meaning that it's still ongoing, so unpaid by the others, and inactive is the finished bill split. If you want to create a new one, you just tap on new in the top right corner, and here you can just type in the amount and then tap on continue to follow with the steps that the app indicates. Then you will be able to add people and set how you want to share the bill, equal parts, unequal parts, etc. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.